on Prophet Ayub alayhi salam when he was taking a bath. What was falling upon him when he was taking a bath?
I'm not quite sure, but I think it was out of gold, and it was, I'm not quite sure, it was called, it's locust?
Yes,
Locust?
yes,
Yeah.
very good, very good. What is gold locust? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showered upon him once he was taking a shower, gold locust, and he started collecting all of them, and Allah asked him, did I not give you enough? Ayub alayhi salam responded very beautifully to Allah. He said, these are the bounties from you, and I like to collect as much bounty as I can from my Lord. Very good, brother. Adnan, you get to choose the next question.
Yes, we go with Prophet